Good afternoon, my beautiful girlies. It's Grace, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. For today's topic of discussion, if I had an unlimited budget, what epic pranks would I pull off? I think that this is such a very interesting question because, pranks can just be really fun things to do, just to pull on, like on your friends and on your families, obviously harmless ones where people don't get hurt. And I just think that, with pranks being, with pranks not having a budget on them, I think that people can get very, very creative with the pranks that they do. So in my personal opinion, I have two pranks that I would definitely pull off if I had an unlimited budget. So the first prank that I would pull off if I had an unlimited budget would have to be to create one big fake prehistoric sea animal and put it into one of the oceans on our planet. I think this would just be such a fun and hopefully harmless prank to do. I know that it involves animals and I know that it involves people. With this prank, I believe that I wouldn't even take it too that far out into sea, because it's like I don't really know the ocean like that, and your girl is kind of afraid of water, so I don't really want to do it at that depths. I would prefer to do this prank where it's more closer to to land level, where the sea isn't that deep, basically where it's safe for humans to swim to. Yeah, that's where I would pull off the prank, but at the edge, the maximum feet that it's safe for humans to swim on. So why did I even come up with this prank anyways? I think I've just been obsessed with prehistoric animals. I feel like everyone's obsessed with prehistoric animals, and I think it will just be so cool just to act like we are seeing this prehistoric animal live, but it's not, it's animatronic. I have no idea if I said that word right. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, I just think that it will be just such a cool thing for people to see. Basically a once in a lifetime moment, I guess, to sort of say. I don't know. I just think it'll be so cool. Genuinely. And I just can already imagine the expression on people's faces when they see this prehistoric sea animal. So if you ask me what kind of prehistoric sea animal, I'm not gonna lie, I genuinely cannot tell you, because I do not know any prehistoric sea animals off of the top of my head. But I think the category the prehistoric sea animal would have to be, it will probably have to be a shark, most likely. I would like it to be a shark. Really, because I know that those are the animals that people are afraid of, including me. And I don't know. I mean, obviously this prehistoric animal wouldn't have any teeth or anything like that. The most it would have is fake teeth. Obviously we don't want to give people a heart attack, but I don't know. I think that's the category I would create my prehistoric sea animal in all honesty. I think that would be the best category. I mean, it could be a fish as well, but to be honest with you, fishes and sharks, all that already exists. Or maybe a prehistoric sea animal that's just very rare, besides the sea animals that I just listed. I don't know, there's a lot to think about in this prank. But yeah, y'all, I would definitely have to say that creating one big fake prehistoric sea animal and putting it into the ocean would have to be my first epic prank that I would pull off if I had an unlimited budget. The second and the last epic prank that I would pull off if I had an unlimited budget would have to be to create like mini small robots and let them fly in the air in like a bunch of random cities across the US. I think that this would just be such a fun prank to pull off. You know, no one is getting hurt, you know. It will be a cool thing just to see out of nowhere randomly. Even though I believe that people won't be hurt, I believe people will be like scared out of their freaking minds. The emotions that I think people would, go through with this prank would probably unparalleled. But I don't know, I just think that this would be so cool to see. I just think that, since AI and since technology is like becoming very, very popular, it would just be very, very cool just to see like, many cute, I say cute like they're animals, but like many robots that just can't hurt anyone. Really just like, just robots really that can just fly. And then we could just say like, oh, like these are our new, like, I don't know, like new technology that is like aimed to help people I don't know. Like, I don't know. I don't really know where I'm going with this point. And all honesty, not gonna lie, I really don't know where I'm going with this point. But yeah, I mean, just like fake robots that just fly over the air. And I think where I got this inspiration from was like, it was like one of these like, it was like one YouTube video I was watching, and it was like this guy that had like a jetpack, like an air jetpack on his back, and he had it on like a backpack, and he was just like flying around, and I was like, oh my goodness, like I feel like that would be just super duper cool, just to have like things just fly in the air from random, but yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, I feel like that's really the reason why I would do this prank anyways, like just have a mini like robots just fly around the air for no reason, just because it'll be at random times, so that way people can really be like surprised. But yeah, so yeah, y'all, just having small robots fly in the air at random times in different cities would have to be the second and last epic prank that I would pull off if I had an unlimited budget. Okay, you guys, so we are done with this makeup look. All we did was just really some mascara. That was really it. That was quite literally all that we did. But even then, I feel like my eyelashes are growing out because I have small lashes. And quite literally this mascara, the Maybelline Lash Sensational, best mascara on the market. That's just me though, that's just me. And I just feel like this quite literally makes my lashes longer. I 100% recommend this product. I don't know, just random plug. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that you will have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye guys.